Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download fresh animations on Minecraft 1.21.4. So you're going to go ahead and open up your Microsoft launcher and also go to your browser. On browser you want to write down Minecraft fresh animations and go, for example, to CurseForge. They have a lot of good fresh animations. Then you will see this package here. So you want to go ahead and click download. Now you will have it, for example, on your desktop. Now also guys, for this to work, you actually need to have Optifine. So if you don't have it, you're gonna go ahead and download it and install it just like so. After that, you will see this message. Now, once you have installed it, you want to go ahead and open up your app data. You can also do this by going on here, going to write run, and then you can write down app data just like so, and basically the same thing will pop up. So after that, you want to go to roaming, then you will see Minecraft folder, open it, and here you will see resource packs. So that's where you want to go ahead and open it, and here you want to drag your fresh animations just like so. Now once you've done that, you want to go ahead and, for example, click here play, open it. Now once you opened it, you want to go to options, go to resource packs, and as you can see, here is fresh animations. You can go ahead and select it, and you're gonna click done. And now once you play the game, once you launch the game, then you can go ahead and see your fresh animation. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.